Let me share my screen. Okay, so here we have a very short exercise. I don't know if you can see. Yes, you can. So we're going to do some easy exercises. So you already know what there was and there were mean. Ustedes ya saben qué significa there was y there were. There was y there were son los pasados de there is y there are. Entonces, is es el presente de was es el pasado de is, y were es el pasado de are. Entonces, en presente decimos there is, I, y en pasado decimos there was, había. En presente, muy bien, Mercedes. En presente decimos there are, muy bien. Y en pasado decimos there were. Entonces, recordemos, muy bien, recordemos que las negaciones son en presente there isn't, en pasado there wasn't. En presente there aren't y en pasado there weren't. Entonces, lo que vamos a hacer aquí es dependiendo de lo que veamos, we will look at the picture. Dependiendo de lo que veamos, entonces vamos a decir there was or there wasn't, there were or there weren't. So let's look at number 1. We have a castle, un castillo, a castle. So what could we say? ¿Había o no había? There was or there wasn't?
There was.
Yes, there was. Any museums? Ningún. No, museos no. Any museums. So what do we say? There wasn't or there weren't?
There weren't.
Yes, very good because it is plural. We are talking about museums. 2 churches. Dos iglesias. 2 churches. What can you see?
They weren't.
There weren't. Okay, there weren't. No había, there weren't. A bus station. A bus station. There was, there were, there wasn't, there weren't.
There was.
Yes, very good. There was. Había. Any supermarkets. Cuando decimos any, estamos diciendo ningún. Any supermarkets.
There weren't.
There weren't.
Yes, excellent. There weren't any supermarkets, but a lot of nice shops. Pero muchas tiendas. Nice. Chéveres, nice. Muchas, pero sí había.
There was.
But in plural. Because it is shops. Estamos hablando de tiendas. Estamos hablando en plural. So we say. Estamos hablando de varias.
There were.
Muy bien. A river, un río, a river, but a beach.
There was.
Yes, very good. There was a river. Había un río, pero no había una playa. So in this case, we say, no, there wasn't. No había, there wasn't. A beach. Okay, so now, very easy too. We're going to ask questions. Vamos a preguntar. So remember that when we ask questions, we mention first the conjugation of the verb to be, in this case in past, and then we say there. Cuando estamos preguntando, recordemos que invertimos. Primero decimos, en presente decimos is, en pasado was, y luego decimos there. Entonces en presente para decir I, decimos is there, o si estamos hablando en plural, decimos are there. Y en pasado sucede lo mismo. Si estamos preguntando por una cosa, I, decimos was there, I eso, was there, había, perdón. Y en pasado, en plural, decimos were there, había. Muy bien, aquí estamos hablando de un lago, a lake. Entonces, como estamos hablando de una sola cosa, vamos a decir había un lago. So what do we say? Was there? Were there?
Was there?
Very good. Was there a lake? Any cafes?
Was there in coffee?
It is plural. Estamos diciendo cafés. Estamos hablando de varios. Entonces,
The various. Yes. Weren't.
yes, were there. Were there any cafes? A swimming pool, only one. A swimming pool. It is singular. So we say,
This was.
very good. But we are asking, estamos preguntando. Entonces, invertimos diciendo, was there? Was there a swimming pool? Was there a swimming pool? A park. Again, de nuevo estamos hablando en singular. ¿Había un parque?
Was there?
Very good. Was there a park? And finally, any railway stations? Stations, plural.
Was there? There?
Was-
Were there?
Weren't.
Muy bien.
Were.
Había, muy bien. Había estaciones de ferrocarril, plural. Were there any railway stations? So, here we're going to answer. Vamos a responder las preguntas que acabamos de formular. Entonces vamos a decir, yes there was, or yes there were, no there wasn't, or no there weren't, depending on what we see, dependiendo de lo que veamos on the picture, en la imagen. So, let's go back. Was there a lake? Was there a lake? What do you think? ¿Había un lago? Was there a lake? Yes, there was. No, there wasn't.
Yes, there was.
Okay, very good, Jessica. Yes, there was. Let's look at number 2. Were there any cafes? ¿Había cafés?
Yes, there was coffee.
Very good. Yes, there were. Excellent. For number 3, we have, was there a swimming pool? una piscina? Was there a swimming pool?
Yes, there were. There was.
Yes. Yes, there was. Was there a park? Was there a park?
Yes, there was.
Very good. Yes, there was. And finally, were there were there any railway stations? Estaciones de ferrocarril? Were there any railway stations? What can you see?
Yeah, yes, there were.
Yes, there were. Pretty good. Bueno, entonces tenemos primero la afirmación y la negación. Decimos there was, there wasn't, there were, there weren't. Las preguntas, invirtiendo, was there, were there. Y las respuestas cortas. Yes, there was. No, there wasn't. Yes, there were. No, there weren't. I think it is very easy. Okay, so now let's continue to practice. Give me 1 minute. Un minutito, por favor. Bueno, aquí. Bueno, la profe les había, yo no sé si ustedes estaban trabajando ayer en esto. ¿Ustedes hicieron esto ayer?
No, no, señora.
¿No? Ah, bueno, porque les subió igual. Ya les voy a mostrar. Give me 1 minute. Ok, so utilizamos el there was y el there were como lo utilizamos en español. Tienen exactamente los mismos usos. La única diferencia es que en inglés hacemos énfasis o en inglés se diferencia entre el singular y el plural. A diferencia del español, porque en español simplemente decimos había o habían. Bueno, voy a descargar el documento. Qué pena con ustedes, es que I didn't know. Bueno, voy a descargar el documento que compartió la profe y se los comparto. Okay, so there it is. Okay, so we have two examples. Singular, there was a chair. And plural, there were some chairs. Another one, there was a bank. There were some banks. And for the negative, for the short form, we say there wasn't a shop. Or for the plural, we say there weren't any shops. We can also use the long form. We can say there was not. there was not a shop. And for the plural, we can say there were not any shops. So we can say there wasn't, or there was not, there weren't, or there were not. Y cuando estamos hablando en plural, let me go back. Cuando estamos hablando en singular decimos a, you know that. Y cuando estamos hablando en plural decimos some. Había un banco, había algunos bancos, some banks. Pero si estamos negando, decimos any. En cualquiera de los casos podríamos utilizar any. There wasn't any shop, o en este caso también es posible decir there wasn't a shop. Any, recordemos que significa ninguno. Eso más adelante lo van a trabajar con la profesora, no sé si ya lo hicieron. Any significa ningún y some significa algún o algunos. Muy bien.
Ya lo vimos.
Okay, great. Okay, so let me, I don't know if I can copy this. So here we have a short video, so let's watch it and let's learn what this is about. So let me mute myself. Voy a apagar el micrófono y escuchemos. Okay, so let's continue. Okay, so let me put it bigger. Here we need to choose between was and were. Aquí tenemos varias frases. Algunas son frases, algunas son preguntas. Y lo que tenemos que hacer es seleccionar entre was y were. So for number 1, we have there. 10 boys playing football. So what do we say? ¿Podría alguien de ustedes leer la número 1? Con la respuesta.
There,
Yes.
there were 10 boys playing football.
Excellent, yes. There were 10 boys playing football. For number 2, what could we say? ¿Qué había en tu cuarto? ¿Qué había en tu cuarto? Había muchas cosas. ¿Qué había? What?
Was.
Yes. What was there in your room? There were many things. For number 3, what could we say? Había un poco de leche en the cup, en la taza, en el recipiente. What do we say in English?
Was.
Yes. Yes, very good. There was a little milk in the cup. And what about this one? ¿Llegaron los invitados? No. Había solamente un postman, el que entrega las cartas, las encomiendas.
Weren't.
Solo había un postman.
There was.
Yes. Very good. There was only a postman. ¿Había algo de café en la taza? No. No había nada. No había nada de café.
Wasn't.
Yes. No, there wasn't any. Había muchas imágenes en ese museo.
There was a new picture in the museum.
Very good. There were many pictures in that museum. ¿Había muchos perros en el parque ayer? ¿Cómo preguntamos en inglés? ¿Había muchos perros en el parque ayer?
Was there
Muchos perros.
Were.
Yes. Were
Weren't
there?
there dogs in the park yesterday?
Excellent. Were there many dogs in the park yesterday? ¿Qué había en la radio? What?
What
was
was?
there
On the radio, yes. What was there on the radio? ¿Había muchas personas en el concierto?
Were the money people at the concert?
Excellent, yes. Were there many people at the concert? La palabra people, bueno, sabemos que people significa gente, ¿verdad?
Personas.
Exacto, muy bien. People es un plural irregular. En inglés decimos person, una persona, one person, pero no decimos two persons, decimos two people. En 1957, en 1955, había muchos árboles en esta calle. Había muchos árboles. So we say, in 1955,
Were.
there were, yes, there were many trees in this street. Había un gato en el techo.
There was a cat on the roof.
Excellent, yes, there was a cat on the roof. And había muchas niñas en tu escuela.
Weren't there many girls at your school? School.
Yes. Yes, very good. Were there many girls at your school? Very good. Okay, so now we're going to look at, les voy a mostrar una imagen. Let me show you. Okay, so last weekend, Maria and David went on holiday to Venice. Se fueron de vacaciones a Venice. So, let's look at the things they had got on her luggage. Vamos a mirar qué cosas tenían ellos en su maleta. So, let's see. ¿Qué cosas tenían ellos en su maleta? ¿Qué había en su maleta? For example, let me insert the shape. Could we say that was there, guys? Was there a hat? Was there a hat? Un gorro? Was there a hat? Was there a hat in their luggage? Había un gorro? Was there a hat?
Where was a single
Yes. Yes.
there was a umbrella.
Yes, very good. There was an umbrella. Excellent.
Was there a book?
There was a book. Very good. Was there? Yes.
Was there camera?
There was a camera.
There were a ticket, the travel.
Yes. Were there guys? Were there shoes? Were there shoes? Yes, no? Were there shoes?
Yes, there were.
Very good. Yes, there were. Muy bien, Mercedes. Yes, there were. Was there a what? Were there clothes? Were there clothes? Were there clothes? Yes, there was. Yes, there were. No, there weren't clothes. Can you see clothes? ¿Hay ropa? ¿Había ropa?
Yes, there were clothes.
Yes, very good. Yes, there were clothes. Were there CDs?
Yes, there were.
Very good. Yes, there were. Were there earphones? Audífonos, earphones.
Yes, there was a phone.
Yes. And finally, was there a pair of jeans? Was there a pair of jeans? Was there a pair of jeans? Yes. Yes. There was a pair of jeans. There was a pair of jeans. Okay. Here we have, let me show you. Okay, we have some words and we're going to make sentences using these words. Vamos a utilizar las palabras que tenemos aquí para hacer frases o preguntas, si ustedes lo prefieren, utilizando esas palabras. Entonces, vamos a hacerlo en pasado, es decir, ¿qué vamos a hacer? Vamos a utilizar there was y there were. Very easy. Entonces, tenemos clock y tenemos this room, reloj, y tenemos este cuarto. So, ¿qué frase podríamos construir? Había un reloj en este cuarto. Había un reloj en este cuarto. Como decimos en inglés, había un reloj en este cuarto.
There was a clock in this room.
Muy bien. There was a clock in this room. Some paper baskets. The classroom. Algunos botes para papel en el salón. Some paper baskets. The classroom.
There were some paper biker and the classroom.
Way to go, yes. There were some paper baskets in the classroom. Record player at the shop window.
Hacía tiempo no saludaba. There was a record player at the shop window.
Excellent. Very good, Jessica. There was a record player at the shop window. Some calendars, the bag, en la bolsa.
There was some calendar in the back.
We have calendars. It is plural. So,
Yes, there were.
very good.
There were some calendars in the back.
Yes, good job. There were some calendars in the back. Typewriter, this office. Había una máquina de escribir en la oficina, en esta oficina.
There was the pay waiter in the office.
Very good. Yes. There was a typewriter, una máquina de escribir, in this office. And some maps. Some maps. Some maps on the wall. Algunos mapas en la pared.
There were
There were
Yes. There were.
some the map some the map on in the walls.
Very good, on the wall. Excellent. And, bueno, y aquí tenemos también varias palabras. La diferencia, la diferencia es que en este caso vamos a construir preguntas. Entonces, vamos a preguntar, ¿había leche en el refrigerador? ¿Había leche en el refrigerador? Milk in the fridge, in the refrigerator?
Was there milk in the refrigerator?
Yes. Was there milk in the refrigerator? ¿Había jugo de tomate en la jarra?
Was there any tomato juice in the jug?
Yes. Very good, Jessica. Was there any tomato juice in the jug? TV sets, television sets in the house?
Was there television set in the house?
It is plural.
Yes, teacher. In this, were there
Very good. Yes.
television sets? Yes,
Yes.
in the house.
Yes, way to go. Were there television sets in the house? Policeman in the park?
Were there policemen in the park?
Almost, yes. It
Was
is
there- Yes.
only one?
Was there?
Yes. Was there? Very good. Was there?
In the park?
Very good. Yes. Was there
Policemen in the park?
in the park? Excellent.
Yes.
Very good.
Words.
Girls in the room?
Were there girls in the room?
Yes. Bread in the basket, en la canasta. Pan en la canasta. Bread in the basket. ¿Había pan en la canasta?
Was there
Yes. Was there?
birds in the basket?
Yes, very good. Was there bread in the basket? Okay, that's it. Well, I am going to share my screen again, and we're going to do a very little listening activity. That is this one. Okay, so depending on what we listen, we're going to say what what has to be on the blanks. Vamos a decir qué tiene que ir, qué es lo que vamos a escribir dentro de los espacios, dependiendo de lo que escuchemos. So, vamos a escucharlas todas una vez y luego hacemos el ejercicio. Cada una vez y luego otra vez y respondemos. Escuchemos. La primera vez, la primera.
There was a monkey in the zoo. There was a monkey in the zoo.
¿Qué escuchamos?
There was a the monkey in the zoo.
Very good. There was a monkey. Había un mono. In the zoo. There was a monkey in the zoo. Escuchamos la segunda. Dos veces. Again.
There were also some elephants. There were also some elephants.
También había algunos. There were also some.
There were elephants.
Yes. También había algunos elefantes. Muy bien. There were also some elephants. Number 3.
It was sunny. There were many people in the park. It was sunny. There were many people in the park.
What do we have for this one?
In the sun, there was many people in the park.
Yes. It was sunny. Había muchas personas en el parque. Excelente. In the park. Number 4.
There were fruits and vegetables in the supermarket. There were fruits and vegetables in the supermarket.
And for number 4, we heard
There were fruit and vegetables in the supermarket.
excellent, yes. There were fruits and vegetables in the supermarket. En inglés, cuando tenemos una palabra como fruits que tiene una U y una I, esa U y esa I se pronuncian como una, bueno, se pronuncia solamente la U. Entonces, si tenemos una palabra como suitable, que significa adecuado, me falta la E, suitable, no decimos sui, sino que decimos suitable. Y lo mismo sucede con la palabra traje. No decimos suit, sino que decimos suit. La I no se pronuncia. Lo mismo sucede con fruit. Let's listen to number 5. There, let's see.
There was traffic yesterday morning. There was traffic yesterday morning.
What did you listen to?
There was traffic is yesterday morning.
Very good, yes. There was traffic ayer en la mañana. Yesterday morning. There was traffic yesterday morning. Yes, yes. Okay, and now we have another picture here. And we're going to say if what we listen to, what we hear, is true or false. Dependiendo de lo que escuchemos, vamos a decir yes or no, true or false. Entonces, si por ejemplo nos dicen, there are many trees, hay muchos árboles, there are many trees, vamos a decir false, vamos a decir no. Perdón, there weren't. Estamos en pasado. I'm sorry. Bueno, escuchamos entonces, como lo hicimos en el ejercicio anterior, vamos a escuchar 2 veces. Y vamos a decir Yes, there were. No, there weren't. Yes, there was. No, there wasn't. O simplemente decimos true or false. Escuchemos la primera.
There was a river. There was a river.
Yes, Angelica, yes. Yes, there was. The sentence is, la frase es, there was a river. Recordemos que river significa río. Muy bien. Bien, Tati, muy bien. True, there was a river. It is true. Number 2.
There were cars. There were cars.
False.
Yes, it is false. Very good. No, there weren't. There weren't cars. No había carros. There weren't cars. Number 3.
There were chickens and horses. There were chickens and horses.
There were chickens and horses. There were chickens and horses.
False.
No, false. No, there was horse.
Very good. It is false. Excellent. There weren't neither chickens nor horses. There weren't chickens or horses. It is false. Number 4.
There was a volcano. There was a volcano.
There was a volcano. There was a
True.
volcano. Yes. Very good, Jessica. Yes, there was a volcano. It is true. And number 5.
There were trees. There were trees.
True.
There were trees. Yes. It is true. Yes, very good.
Yes, teacher.
Excellent. Yes, it is true. There were trees. Había. There were trees. Okay. Let's continue. I am going to write some sentences. Voy a escribir algunas frases. Si ustedes están de acuerdo, me van a decir yes there was, yes there were. Y si no están de acuerdo, me van a decir no there was, no there weren't. Entonces, les voy a mostrar. Si ustedes están de acuerdo, me dicen yes, yes there was. Las voy a escribir por aquí. En Colombia, in the past, there were better politicians. In Colombia, in the past, there were better politicians. What do you think? ¿Eso es verdad? ¿Había mejores políticos?
True.
No,
Never, never, never
no,
was.
they were.
Never there were.
Okay, okay. So in Colombia, in the past, there weren't better politicians. Okay, again. In the past, there was more biodiversity. In Colombia, in the past, there was more biodiversity. Do you agree with me?
Yes.
Well, yes, was.
Very good. Yes, there was. Excellent. ¿Qué podríamos decir? ¿Qué podríamos decir de Colombia en el pasado? Me lo pueden decir en español y yo lo escribo en inglés. ¿Qué había en Colombia que no hay ahora?
Las vías de los transportes eran más libres para los transportes y ahorita la dividieron entre transporte y ciclorruta, que hay más peligro en este momento que antes. Convirtieron las vías de los transportes en vías de ciclorruta y hay más peligro.
Okay, so in Colombia, in the past, no había peligro o no había tanto peligro. There wasn't that much. No había tanto peligro in the in the avenues, maybe. Because now they were divided in cycle routes. Fueron divididos. They were divided. Okay, yes. So, do you think Colombia was better before? Colombia era mejor antes? Or Colombia is better now? Es mejor ahora. Was Colombia better before?
Yes, there was many advance.
Oh, yes, yes. Muchas cosas han cambiado. Many things have changed. Very good. Ok, a la profe, no sé si algunos de ustedes estén también en la clase de 12 con la profe Daniela. A la profe ya le acabo de volver al internet. So, that is good news. Son buenas noticias. Bueno, no sé si ya está claro para ustedes el uso del there was y there were. Recordemos que there was es singular y there were es plural, que para negar simplemente agregamos el not. There was not, there were not. Y si queremos utilizar la contracción decimos there wasn't o decimos there weren't. Y que para preguntar solamente invertimos. Was there para singular, were there para plural. So, is that clear for you? ¿Está claro para todos?
Una pregunta
Yes, teacher.
una pregunta con respecto a las clases de la profe Daniela. Ella va a dar clase ahorita de 12 a 1 y de 2 a 3.